In this live case study, we'll walk through how to find and flip a $20 product for $150 using modern online arbitrage techniques and data-driven decision-making. This is exactly how top sellers in 2026 identify hidden gems and turn small investments into big profits. Let's start with product discovery. The goal is to find an item with high demand, low competition, and strong resale value. Using tools like Tactical Arbitrage, Smart Scout, and Keepa, you can scan thousands of online listings automatically. For this example, imagine we find a trending smart home gadget, like a limited edition Wi-Fi security camera selling for $20 on a retailer's clearance site. Next, we verify the data. Keepa shows us that the same product sells consistently on Amazon for around $150, with steady demand and limited competition. The price history chart confirms that this isn't a temporary spike, but a stable market. We also check that Amazon itself isn't a seller, reducing our risk of losing the buy box. Now we calculate profitability. Seller AMP or RevSeller can instantly analyze the fees, shipping costs, and ROI. After deducting Amazon fees, shipping, and taxes, the profit margin stands at around $90 per unit, an incredible 450% ROI. That's the power of using data to make sourcing decisions. Before purchasing, we confirm brand restrictions and authenticity. The product isn't gated, and the retailer is reputable, so there's no risk of counterfeit or IP complaints. We place a small test order of 10 units to validate the opportunity. Once the products arrive, they're shipped directly to a prep center. The prep center inspects each unit, applies FNSQ labels, and sends them to Amazon FBA. Within days of going live, the listing starts selling. Because the demand is steady and competition is low, all 10 units sell within 2 weeks, bringing in $900 in profit from a $200 investment. What makes this strategy so effective is the system behind it. The tools handle product research, pricing, and analysis automatically, so you're making decisions based on real data instead of guesses. Even better, AI tools like ChatGPT can now assist by summarizing market trends or suggesting related product niches to explore. Once you've validated a successful flip, the next step is to scale. You can search for similar products in the same category or build relationships with the supplier for consistent restocks. Over time, this approach compounds, turning small flips into a steady stream of cash flow. The key lesson: profitable arbitrage isn't about luck, it's about systems. By combining AI analytics, smart sourcing tools, and prep automation, you can find and flip high-margin products consistently. In 2026, opportunities like this exist across every category, from electronics to beauty to home improvement. The sellers who win are the ones who use data and automation to uncover them first.